Hello, CBS first year students. I'm Father Randy Flores, SVD. What is the content of this handout, 162 pages? All in the well, let me uh, read the subtitle so you get right away what I am aiming at. Ang subtitle niya ay An Introduction to the Torah. That's the Jewish term ng first five books of the Bible or the books of Moses. Pentateuch is the Greek term, which is the technical term used sa mga courses sa seminary. And its themes. So, yung mga tema na napapaloob, major themes of course, in the first five books of the Bible. With appendices, may add-on, and the add-on is three articles on the historical books. Now, uh, you will see here, follow the cursor, a YouTube, this is my YouTube channel, which I created during pandemic. And in the on the playlist, in the Pentateuch, you you may scan the QR code below. You will you will watch. You can watch there the different lectures on the Pentateuch, book by book that I did during the lockdown, during the pandemic period. Of course, I will not repeat what I've said there with what are in the notes, but major ones are there already. So for this course that I am absent, you will have to watch more than an hour, I think. The one on the introduction, basic questions on the Pentateuch, and then another an hour also on the first book of the Bible on Genesis, right? And then when I will be back, I will be discussing with you the content of the handout. Now, take note that the, this is in Latin ad usum privatum, meaning for students use only. Please, only for personal consumption, our class, only for this course. Do not upload them, do not share them with anybody yet because they will be published in the future. And I would not like that you are going to share also typographical errors that you might encounter there. And as we go through them, I'm going also to make some corrections and editing. Now, quickly, let's see the content. Let me enlarge this one a bit. Okay, the introductory points. We will be discussing three items: the Torah as a portable homeland. Now, I'll explain I have explained in the essay what it means by portable homeland. The Pentateuch in general is a rapid introduction of what is the Pentateuch. You will be helped by the when you watch the YouTube in the YouTube channel. If you cannot watch the YouTube channel, I have also given to Jason or to Dexter to upload to live online the copy of the recording, and then we will see a bit about the birth of Western civilization and in ancient Israel, which I suppose some of them are also being touched by discussed by Father Rohel. I, now, now, the first part would be the book of Genesis, and here you will see the different themes that I have worked on through the course of teaching the Pentateuch, and then Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and so forth and so on. Meaning to say, uh, apart from discussing the books, no, giving introduction to the books, I will select passages, I select themes in order to elaborate them, para lalong ma-deepen yung understanding nyo sa mga libro na ito, hindi lang pahapyaw na general introduction. Yun yung advantage namin na mga professors na nag-aaral sa malalaking universidad, dahil na-identify namin through research and through the works of other scholars, we are able to synthesize their thoughts and put them into a simpler presentation para maintindihan natin, especially controversial issues na napapaloob, halimbawa sa Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Okay? So that would make the course exciting, no? Hindi lang yung introduction, kasi titignan natin yung mga iba't ibang passages na might have an impact sa pananampalataya natin o sa buhay natin bilang create, bilang Katoliko, bilang Kristiyano, o bilang naniniwala sa mga libro na ito na salita ng Diyos, no? And then yung towards the end, which is page 111, I do not assume na alam nyo na yung history of ancient Israel. So, magbibigay ako ng rapid, kumaga, introduction to the history of ancient Israel, which is of course supplement sa course ni Father Rohel on archaeology, para yung pag magbanggit tayo ng mga historical periods dito, hindi kayo mawawala. So, merong appendix dyan, tatlong presentation, 1, 2, 3. Yung first part ng presentation ng appendix ay yung brief history of biblical Israel and 11 important dates of the Bible. So, ang daming dates sa Bible, pero I have identified yung mga important dates, mga 11 sila. And then, sa next appendix, still on the historical books, kasi yun po yung parameter ng course natin. Sinasama natin yung historical books. So, ano yung mga composition ng historical books? Pag-usapan din natin yun. Huwag nating i-anticipate. Pero we will delineate yung mga libro under the historical books. Kaya yung appendix to will be about that, the historical books and overview. And then yung appendix number 3 sa historical books, I think this is the last essay, would be synopsis of the historical books from Joshua to Kings, yung first half ng historical books, Joshua to Kings. So, thank you. This is Father Randy Flores, SVD, greeting you all and wishing you to enjoy the course and reading of the first 5 books of the Bible, the Pentateuch, the Law, the Torah, the books of the greatest person in the Old Testament, no other than Moses.